If you've forgotten your password for your Cricket Wireless account, resetting it is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Cricket Wireless website. Go to the official Cricket Wireless website using your preferred web browser. Look for the sign-in option on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the Eshrok.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your account information, such as your phone number or email address associated with your Cricket Wireless account. Fill in the required fields and submit the form. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. After submitting your information, check your email or SMS for a password reset link or code sent by Cricket Wireless. Follow the instructions provided in the message. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the reset link or enter the code, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, confirm it, and save the changes. Now you can log into your Cricket Wireless account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.